So all of this, everything behind this, all of these yellow shells, they're guides. Basically, whenever you go to stab your pipe into the next one, it allows for less damage, less interference, and makes it a much smoother process on running your pipe.
So being that we have so many stabbing guides in our inventory, we can offer a wide variety of sizes and connections. Luckily, we can get you all the way down from 3.5 all the way up to the big guys at 13.75 and beyond that. As well as also run into a lot of common connections behind us that we can provide for a lot of our customers. So we go and grab a jacket and a compatible shell. Next, we're going to install both of them together. So we're going to grease the back of our shell. Next, we're going to slide it into the lip of our jacket. Now we're going to make sure both sides are even. We're going to use our screws to set it into place. Now that it's set in place, we can go ahead and measure for our pipe. And now we go ahead and make sure we can adjust. So we'll take 3 measurements to ensure that all measurements will match. And now we will adjust to the desired size.